Hey everyone, welcome to the very first video of our C++ playlist. If you're new to programming or just getting started with C++, you're in the right place. In this series, we'll break things down step by step, making it super easy to learn and apply what you learn. So, what is C++? C++ is a powerful, high-performance programming language that's used in everything from game development and operating systems to embedded systems and even finance. But why should you learn C++? First, it teaches you how computers work at a deeper level. It's widely used in the real world. Think games like Call of Duty or engines like Unreal. And if you master C++, other languages like Java, Python, or C# become much easier to learn. Look at a few quick facts about C++, developed by Bjorn Stroustrup in the early 1980s. Based on the C language but with object-oriented features. It's a compiled language, which means it translates your code into machine code before running. Now, let's quickly go over what we'll cover in this series. 1. Basic syntax. 2. Variables and data types. 3. Operators. 4. Control statements. 5. Functions. 6. Arrays, strings, and pointers. 7. Object-oriented programming. 8. File handling, and more. By the end of this playlist, you'll be able to build your own mini projects in C++ and understand how things work behind the scenes. But first, in the next video, we'll walk you through how to install a C++ compiler and choose the right IDE so you can start writing code right away. If you're excited to learn C++, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Got questions already? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2 where we set up our first C++ program. Until then, keep learning and keep coding.